Hey guys, my name's Craig with Renovation Flooring. Today I'm going to answer a commonly asked question, and it's what to expect and how to prepare for your upcoming renovation. So first of all, as far as what to expect, definitely prepare yourself to expect the unexpected. Whenever you're doing a renovation, we're bidding the job based on what we can see. So after we get in there, the demo crews get started and we start uncovering it. Every now and then we do uncover some things that have to be addressed differently. Could extend your time, maybe a little bit extra cost, etc. But ultimately just make yourself flexible and be able to expect the kind of unknown. And then with expecting the unknown, there's another part of that comes involved. Give yourself plenty of time window to do your project. So say if we say that the project's going to last 5 days, if you're a rental condo or something like that, don't immediately book somebody to come in on the 6th day or the 7th day. Or if you're having guests coming into town or a dinner party or something like that, make sure you give yourself plenty of extra time. And then, with this being said, if at all possible, it's probably always best, especially if we're doing a big remodel, big demo, etc., for you to not be in the house while this is being done. It's noisy, it's dusty, it's not really a nice place to be living at during that time. So if you could take a little short trip or go to the hotel or this, that, and the other, it definitely makes the experience easier. Seeing the work in progress isn't the most fun. Seeing the final picture is definitely very rewarding once that happens. With that being said, we did talk about dust, debris, etc. Do expect plenty of dust. If we're demoing tile, especially hardwood, make sure that you're not shocked by the amount of dust. Our team does take a lot of measures to either eliminate the dust or eliminate it from spreading through the rest of your house or through your AC vents, etc. Such as before we do any kind of demo, our team is turning off the AC, they're taping off your return vents, taping off your smoke detectors so that you don't have a problem as far as that goes. We're covering up any kind of cabinetry that can't be moved. If your project is in a certain area of your house, we try to partition off the other areas to keep the dust as contained as possible. Obviously, it can only be contained as best as it can. Dust is going to spread throughout. So after the job is done, our guys do wipe down everything. And by wipe down, they're not cleaning. They're literally just wiping down. So after you get done with the project, you're definitely going to need cleaners coming in. If you did have a major demo, major remodel, you're going to need a deep clean. And then after a deep clean type situation, about 2-ish weeks later, you're probably going to need a secondary cleaner to come in after all the dust has settled. So how can you prepare for our demo team, for our installers to come in and be ready for your job to start the next day, etc.? Many times on our quotes, we have moving furniture, all that stuff already on your bid, so you're paying for us to move the furniture. So a couple of things. If you have any really valuable items, any irreplaceable items, definitely move those yourself. Put them over in safekeeping. Our guys are moving furniture. They're not moving loaded down furniture with all the drawers, clothes, etc. So those need to get out. If you have any kind of furniture with plates, any kind of decorative figurines, etc., anything breakable really needs to be handheld moved by you. If we're doing work within your closet, make sure the clothes are off the floor. It's fine if they're hanging on the racks, assuming we're not doing the walls, but make sure everything's off the floor so that our guys can work. And then once your project is actually starting, make sure to ask the installers and your sales rep, timeline questions, expectation questions, stuff on the front end to go ahead and get it going. But once our crews are actually working, let's try to let them work and not hit them up with a bunch of questions in the middle of them. Just let them have the freedom to work. If there are any problems or anything that you're seeing immediately, certainly stop the installer. Your sales rep is going to be your number one point of contact. If you have any concerns, immediately reach out to them and then they can get you the best answer. If you do have any questions regarding your project, please give our professionals a call at Renovation Flooring at either of our 2 locations, Miramar Beach or Inlet Beach. Thank you.